Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Coders. In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem when we connect USB and we can't transfer files from our laptop or PC to our mobile. So let us start. So simply we will first connect USB to my laptop here. So I have connected to my laptop, but there are no options of showing USB preferences. So I will go to settings here and write here USB preferences. USB preference. So you can see here they are faint, so I can't transfer files from my laptop to PC because no option is clicking here. So we have to go to now in my laptop and press Windows plus X. A window will appear. Here you have to select device manager, and in the device manager you have to find this option, universal serial bus controls. And here you can see, if I go close, there is some mark here. You have to click on that and you have to disable it. You have to click yes here, and now it shows that this port is disabled. So now again going here and clicking on it, now click enable. So that's why we have got a pop-up window, USB files transfer. So now it shows me the internal storage of my phone. Yes, you can solve it. Now we can go here, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.